welcome you all once again to this webinar series on civil engineering excellence. So friends, आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे Fill-crete के बारे में. See, Fill-crete is nothing but it is a mixture of cement and sand in the proportion of say 1:10 or 1:12 and with a lot of slump, 200 250 slump. Now where this thing is used? See, generally क्या होता है, any building you are making or any structure you are making, and there if suppose backfilling is to be done, normal system of backfilling is we go for earth filling, then we go for muram filling in layers, and then with ramming. It is taking a lot of time. But suppose your time bound project is there and time is not there, you have very less time. So this Fill-crete is a material which can be directly pumped into the place where you have to do the backfilling, and in the faster layer, I mean with very fast speed you can do the backfilling, and once it sets, it is like a stone. So there is no need for additional compaction and then watering and those type of things. And it can be produced in RMC mixer. If you have a direct pumping arrangement, you can directly pump the material with a distance also. Otherwise you bring it in RMC mixer and simply pump it into the position. This is one application. Another application is that suppose you have a structure where the foundation is coming at higher level and simultaneously other work and filling will go on, but that foundation has to be done immediately. In case I have come across one situation, one DGL set foundation, DG's foundation was to be cast very fast. So, and it was coming at a level of say 3 meter higher than the ground level. Now to reach the 3 meter higher and with a normal backfilling and other construction, it is taking lot of time. So what we did is, all shutters were put all round 3 meter high, and within 3-4 days the complete area was filled up with this Fill-crete, and we come up. Then after that DG was placed there. Another application, see, one water tank, underground water tank was being made, tank was constructed, and external waterproofing, box type waterproofing was in progress. But the other side of the area, no other work can be done unless this is completed and you do the backfilling of the whole area. So it was a time bound project. Then this idea of Fill-crete came, why not to construct a wall of Fill-crete by the side of the tank by leaving the working space for waterproofing work. So what we did is the shutters were erected all around the tank, and this temporary wall was created, so 600 thick, then further at height we reduced it to 400, like that in steps all round Fill-crete wall was erected, and then inside the waterproofing work was going on and external other things were going on. So this is one item which we used, I thought of sharing with you. So this is all about the Fill-crete, and cost wise it is not that much, because if you do the muram filling and other things, that is also costing with so many labor involved. But in this more or less it is matching, maybe slightly higher, but if the time bound projects are there, cost does not matter. So this is all about the Fill-crete. So friends, मुझे उम्मीद है आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. हाँ, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपसे बात करूँगा अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, बल्जिंग ऑफ कंक्रीट. सो ये वीडियो को आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिए, लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. सो मिलते हैं दोस्तों नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.